Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can filter object, actually JavaScript object between duplicate. Okay, so let me type the same question here in Bing chat. So it internally basically uses the ChatGPT API. So it is the same how GPT, I mean in the same way it works as ChatGPT works. So here I'm going to type JavaScript code to remove the repeated now objects, okay, from an array. Okay, so it will start uh, giving or the answer here. So it is searching for the web. Okay, and from there it will fetch the result and it will display it here. Okay, so you can see it has bring the result from these four sources. Okay, so you can also find the reference here in Bing chat. So I will copy the same thing and I will go ahead in in the JavaScript online compiler to see how it works. I mean, how what is the result of this. So once I will click on the URL, it will open online compiler for JavaScript. Let me remove this line here. Okay, and I have pasted and I will run it. And you can see it has filtered on base of the ID of the object. So ID 1 is repeating, 2 is repeating. So that's why it has filtered out and just giving us 3 object instead of all. So yeah, it has filtered on behalf of ID and it has also removed the repeated rows from the array, and the result is in the output console. So that's all guys in this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.